Good morning, Natalie Paskowitz here, owner of Paz Mediation in St. Petersburg, Florida, certified circuit civil and family law mediator. Today's Mediation Minute is going to be discussing online dispute resolution. I'm just going to be talking briefly about what it is. If you would like to know more, me and two of my colleagues, Lawrence Colin and Christy Foley, are going to be putting on a webinar. It's at lunchtime, 12 o'clock on May 1st. And it will also be available for purchase on the FL Bar Alternative Dispute Resolution section website. After it's completed, it will be available. So you're probably familiar with asking the court to allow your client to appear telephonically at mediation. If you have a client that is based in, Harrisburg or Nashville or Houston, and they don't want to have to fly down to Florida in order to comply with Florida Rule of Civil Procedure 1.720, which mandates that a party is physically present at mediation unless otherwise permitted by the court or the parties stipulate. So of course you can ask both parties to stipulate that your client either appear telephonically or now what I would think is the better option, allow them to appear virtually. There are certain platforms that you can use in order to accomplish that, including Zoom and Jabber. This is much more beneficial to physically see this person. You can kind of hold them accountable, see what they're doing. A lot of times we tend to multitask if we are on a conference call. Sometimes the call gets dropped, but with platforms like Zoom and Jabber and some other platforms we're going to be talking about on May 1st, it presents a much more clear option as opposed to telephonically appearing at mediation, and you're still in compliance with the rules. I hope that you can tune in to our webinar and learn more about online dispute resolution. Thanks.